Hi, welcome to our room tutorial, and today I'll show you how you can look your best in room, whether you're streaming, recording, or just joining a meeting. So one of the most practical ways to make sure you achieve that awesome room meeting look is to make sure your camera or your laptop camera is properly positioned. Surprisingly enough, people tend to get a bit too close to the camera or screen like this. So one way to fix your camera angle from here is to just take your camera or your laptop and start angling it downward like this. And then sit back for that nice full upper body view and that in-room meeting look. Next step is to make sure your device settings are properly selected. You can go there by pressing on the three dots more and select device settings, and you can check if your camera and mic are correct. Then press save. And one of the key parts is to not wear green, or else you'll look like this. Thanks for joining me on this room tutorial, and we'll see you around. Bye!